Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm here doing my devotion, so you're welcome and enjoy. This is light language, and you'll get what you need. Just set an intention. Be blessed. Your Namayo Kodebekesha Yabaka Shoko Nekeshara Yoko Shimekesho Kona Yabaka Kodebekesha Baka Shoko Debekesha Namayo Yorebekesha Baka Shoko Debekesha Allah Yoraba kashuko, yemeke shuko, yebeke shuko, sharaba kashuko, rabakasha. If you would like a copy of all this light language, I'm releasing a monthly magazine where I'm putting all these codes. Keep your hearts open, keep your hearts open. Receive whatever is coming through. Keep your hearts open. Yakasho rebekesha. Mama yarabakasho kore. Nemekesha rabakasho korabaka. Allah. Yerekesho kona makashe rebekesho yarabakasho yorebekesho korabakasha namayo yerebekesho yarabakasho yerebekesha Rebekesha Rabakasho Yarabakasho Rabakasha Rabakasho Karaba Yorebekesha Nama Yorabakasha Namakasho Yakara Bekesho Yerebekesho Koyamakasha Yarabaka Yorebekesha Yorabakasho Koyamakasha Kanama Urebekesha Yarabakasho Rebekesha Kanama Urabaka Yebekesho Rabakashe Kanama Yorebeke sharabaka. Urabaka shekena. Orebeke shenama. Oh, thank you. Yabaka shorebeke sha. Yabako sherebeke shena. Orebeke shana makasho. Rebeke shekana makasho. Alabaka sho korebeke sha. Thank you. Yebeke shokonama. Alabaka shoko debeke shaka namaka. Nama. Yorebeke. Yobakasha namaka sho debeke shake. Alright. As a reminder, if you want a copy of all this light language, I put it in our monthly magazine every month, because once I get off camera, I keep writing all day. Whatever comes through, I try my best to capture it. So look out for our magazine called Divine Treasures, and yes, you'll be able to get a copy of everything that I was able to capture through the month. Yovakasha. Yebe. Yovakashara bakasho. Namayo rebekeshara bakasho. Namayo rebekeshaka namakasho. Alabakosho. Yorabakashe kenama. Yorabakasha. Yokora bakashe kenama kasho rebekesha. Rebekesho konama kashe kanama. Nama yarabakasho koraba. Yorebekesha nama yarabakasho nama yerebeke. Yarabakosho korabakasha kanama kasho rebekesha. Yorebekesha kanama yorebekesha nama kasho ko. Yes, thank you. Yes. Yorara kashaka namakasho rebekeshaka namakasho kono. Yorara kasha. Yoko rebekeshaka namakasho kono makasho kono makasho. Yorebekeshaka namakasho korara kasho. Yorara. All right, well, I hope you have a blessed day. I'll end here for today, and I'll continue on through the day to capture whatever comes in. Again, this is Mother Eagle. Check out the magazine Divine Treasures. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.